going on, everybody? Game time here, and it is also time to open this box of 2017, good lord, where am I? 2019 Topps Hobby Box, and I do have one silver pack that goes with that. As you can see, it's 2019. It's kind of late. It's been a long day. It was a long day of working. So forgive me if I say anything crazy. So this is my third box of 2019 Topps. I've opened the jumbo box and one of these hobby boxes. I do have some retail action on the way, so we can check that out and see how it measures up. Although I honestly cannot remember what it is I ordered. I think it was one blaster and 2 rack packs. So we could, because I think I remember thinking I wanted to see what the rack packs held to. That's one thing, I'm really quick to pick up a blaster, but I kind of overlook rack packs, and I really shouldn't do that because they can be really interesting. You know, they have their own exclusive parallels and such, so need to start checking those out too. Alright, clean off my table, square my fat butt on this chair, and let's go. Try to get through this kind of quickly. I'm not going to read off the name of every player. I am just going to show you the goodies. And there is the first goodie. It is a Mike Clevenger 150 years parallel. Just a little stamp. And I think that's it for that pack. In the last box, I did a stack of inserts and rookies, and I did them together. This time I'm going to sort them apart so that you can see exactly how many. And there's 2 right there. The ratio to rookies and inserts. Bob Gibson reprint. Alright, next up. Schwarber, Trumbo. Oh, we have, dang, I was really hoping to get an auto this time, but was not to be. Travis Shaw, Major League Material, wah, wah, wah. No offense, Travis, but I was really hoping to get an auto. I'm guessing they might be tough pulls out of the basic hobby box this year. We'll see. I need to watch some more breaks and see how it goes. But my luck was not so great. Alright, there's some rookies. Schwarber Home Run Challenge. There's Andujar. Thought I saw. Okay, there we go. Will Clark reprint. I think I said in the last video I did not get any short prints out of my jumbo box, which was really surprising. I haven't looked through my other hobby box yet. I'll probably do it at the same time as I look through this one, and I'll let everybody know if I did wind up with any SP variations. Wendell, Hollowful, and Ohtani reprint. There was one pack in the last box that did not have any insert or parallel, and I was thinking that maybe that one might have contained a short print. Topps Greatness Returns, Brooks Robinson and Nolan Arenado. Oops, that's not a rookie. There's Ohtani, Chris Bryant, Stewart rookie, a Pedro Martinez reprint, and Topps Now Mike Trout, which I'm putting in the inserts pile, even though it is kind of just an advertisement for Topps Now. I pulled a few of those from the jumbo box and I put them in my eBay store just to see what people would do, and they absolutely did sell, so people must be treating them as an insert. There's a Simmons Gold and Ripken Greatest Moments. I really like these 150 years inserts. These really just kind of remind me of what baseball is all about. So kudos to Topps on those. Those take you back in time, and I don't know, it just kind of gives you a good, warm, fuzzy feeling. Steve Carlton reprint. I was saying also in the other video that I would think that the short prints would probably be somewhere in the center where the inserts and parallels are, but I haven't found one, so I can't say that to be true. I am keeping the cards in the order, well, other than the insert and rookie is being pulled out. Other than that, they're basically in the same order. Oh wow, check this out. It's first graded seasons Kershaw, but there is a Carlos Santana reprint / parallel. So that's a nice card. There's Glaber. Oh, I should mention, let me back up. This should be numbered. I think when it's an insert parallel, it's numbered. Yep. And it's numbered to 150 for the, 150. Devers, Soto, a gold Steven Duggar rookie, Acuna. I did pull an Acuna hollow foil out of my other box, but I put that in the store and it sold immediately, so it's gone. Winker Gold and a David Price hollow foil World Series. Alright, breezing right on through. Mike Trout. I may be missing a couple of rookies, but on the whole, they're going into the stack. I'll show you how many. Nice. Babe Ruth. Greatest Seasons. Couple of rookies there. Oh, man. Hang on. Gotta put my Babe Ruth in the right stack. I put him in with the rookies. He's definitely not a rookie. Ah, yeah, yes, I cannot talk then. I told you I was tired. Yelich 150 parallel. Do my stack. Running out of space. This is a lot of cards. That jumbo box, man, that was a... I didn't do the math. It's probably like a couple hundred cards though. Okay, so here is another pack where there was no insert. So I'm actually going to set this aside just to see for later when I go looking for variations and see if in fact a pack without an insert or parallel has a variation. And I will report back. There's my cactus gold. Mookie. Yeah, I'll have to go back and check a couple of things. For starters, I ended up skipping past 2 of the 150 years parallels in my jumbo box. So I caught those when I was going. Oh wow, Mike Trout iconic card. Basically, they're all rookie reprints. Anyways, looking back through, I caught a couple of those. But I literally had to get like some reading glasses and get under a really strong light to try to see, to look at all the codes on the back to see if I had any short prints. And basically I'm going to combine this and my other hobby box and do it all over again. How nice. It's a Rhys Hoskins parallel. I wish these were all numbered to 150, but it seems to only be the insert versions that are numbered. This is another one that did not have an insert. Set that aside too. Tucker and Hampson rookies. A Lorenzen gold. I may have pulled one of those in my last box, actually. Alright, just a couple more to go. Judge. Arrieta, 150. A Salvador Perez hollow full, and yes, Mike Piazza reprint, sweet. I needed this for my collection. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yes. That will not be going into the store. That will be going into my collection. Alright, last pack. Alright, greatest moments Ichiro. looks like that's it. Let me check something real quick. Yep, I thought I'd done that. Alright. Dang, I did it more than once. Just a second. Well, I was trying to be informative in some way by showing you the stack of rookies as opposed to inserts and such. But it looks like I was sticking a lot of inserts into my rookie pile. This should mostly be rookies, which is quite a few for just a regular hobby box. What would you say this is? Probably 30, 40. And then we have a pretty hefty pile of inserts and parallels too. Probably 50 of these. I'd say, and there's our one little disappointing hit, but whatever. Alright, that's it. Lots of fun. Even, oh wait, I did it in the last box. I did it again. I forgot about this. Alright, 4 of these. I haven't pulled anything crazy out of this, but let's see what we get. Cedric Mullins rookie card. A Rhys Hoskins. Nice. Ozzie Smith. And nice again. Aaron Judge. That was a really decent silver pack there. Nice way to end it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate you very much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, all that good stuff. I have lots of good stuff left on the way to open. I've got some stuff pre-ordered. There's just lots of good stuff. So if you need a reason to subscribe, that's it. There's going to be lots of fun stuff to open soon. So everybody take care, and I'll be back soon.